Carl Icahn, the legendary activist investor, is making a bold move into the auto repair sector with a 15% stake in Monro Inc, a leading auto service chain. This strategic investment marks Icahn's return to a familiar industry, leveraging his expertise and experience in the automotive sector. Icahn's track record. Icahn has a history of identifying undervalued companies and pushing for changes to unlock shareholder value. His investment in Monro is likely driven by the company's potential for growth and improvement. With a market value of around $458 million, Monro presents an attractive opportunity for Icahn to apply his proven strategy. Superscript 1 Superscript 2 Monro's challenges. Monro has faced challenges in recent years, including declining same-store sales and rising labor costs. The company's stock price had fallen over 40% this year, making it an attractive target for Icahn's value-focused investment approach. Icahn's plan. While Icahn's specific plans for Monro are unclear, his track record suggests he may push for changes to improve the company's operations and profitability. This could include cost-cutting measures, strategic acquisitions, or exploring new business opportunities. Market reaction. Monro's stock price surged over 13% following the announcement of Icahn's investment, reflecting investor confidence in the company's potential for turnaround. Icahn's portfolio. Monro is the latest addition to Icahn's diverse portfolio, which includes stakes in companies like CVR Energy, Southwest Gas Holdings, and JetBlue Airways. His investment strategy focuses on identifying undervalued assets and driving change to unlock shareholder value.